This is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. All the week. Football passions are running high in every corner of this great nation. And that's called playoff fever, son. Except in Cleveland, where it's called typhoid fever, son, because you passed out in a frozen vomit gutter slushy outside the sports bar where you tried to drink away another wasted season on the Chud the Dud. Chudzinski, Munchak, Frazier, Shanahan, Schwartz, Shiano, they all found big fat pink slips in their stocking this Christmas. It may be hard to believe, but I've been fired a few times myself, so I know. It ain't nothing to be ashamed of. Most of the time, it just boils down to a simple difference of opinion. My last manager had the opinion that I should not be shotgunning tall boys on the job, and he disagreed with me over the direction I was taking the Ferris wheel in. So yeah, I got ousted as head coach of, jerking the lever that makes the thing go. And that's when a coach has got to make the tough call to push his boss into a drainage ditch and then key his minivan. Now this week, Andrew Luck heads to New England after his epic come from behind because he pulled it out of his behind victory against the Chiefs. But you can't have no Manning versus Brady when you ain't got Manning. It'd be like me taking The Rock out of the Scorpion King and putting Vin Diesel in there. I mean, yeah, the movie is cooler now, but people are buzzing with too much Vinsanity. They can't focus on, like, the mummies and the talking snakes. I'll be honest, I haven't seen the movie. It didn't have Vin Diesel in it. But look, where does Andrew Luck get off? Growing every hair on his face except on the high-dollar real estate. What's he doing not growing a mustache? It's an obvious move to publicly shame me. Chicks don't dig beards unless they've been shaved and gelled into the shape of an arrow pointing down to show them where their love is made. But tell the Colts get a QB that don't look like he spends his nights putting on suspenders and making his own soap. I'm afraid that the New England Patriots are Carl's stone cold lock of the century. All the week.